In this video, I want to cover some of the reasons for why you want to be investing in crypto right now. We'll take a look at the current market circumstances, and then we'll talk about some of the top projects and cryptos to invest in right now. So let's get started with the topic. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Alright, now let's get started with this video. As I said, in this video we'll talk about 4 of the main cryptos you should hold or which could be great investments in the current crypto market. While we are looking at those projects, I will tell you a bit about them, but also why they can be great picks. So before we dive further in, if you want to see the links or the content about all of these projects, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find more information. Alright, so the first crypto we will talk about is the main one, Bitcoin. So if you don't know what Bitcoin is, it's a cryptocurrency or a virtual currency designed to act as money and as a form of payment outside of the control of any one person, group or entity. This removing the need for third-party involvement in financial transactions, and it is rewarded to blockchain miners for the work done to verify transactions and can be purchased on several exchanges. Right now Bitcoin is trading at about $28,000, but if you take a look at the prices in the past, at the very top it reached prices of $65,000. Apart from that, Bitcoin is often named as a worldwide decentralized peer-to-peer network. So you and your peers can easily send Bitcoin, which now holds real value, to each other. It's completely permissionless, and as I said earlier, there's no one legal entity or person who can control it. Cryptography secures the network, ensuring that all the balances and the transactions are saved, also secured by miners. They make all the new blocks in this blockchain and everybody can use it. Everybody can create a wallet and send and receive Bitcoin. And apart from that, Bitcoin is also still the biggest cryptocurrency and most well-known cryptocurrency, which could make it a great investment in the future. Now, the second project we will talk about is Ethereum. And at its core, Ethereum is a decentralized global software platform powered by blockchain technology, just the same as Bitcoin. And it is most commonly known for its native cryptocurrency called Ether or ETH. So Ethereum can be used by anyone to create any secured digital technology. And it has a token designed to pay for work done supporting the blockchain, but participants can also use it to pay for tangible goods and services if it's accepted. And Ethereum is designed to be scalable, programmable, secure and decentralized. And especially that programmable part is what makes it different from Bitcoin. Ethereum is the second biggest crypto and second biggest blockchain out there. And this programmable piece makes it very interesting. And therefore it is also the blockchain of choice for developers and enterprises creating technology based upon it to change how many industries operate and how we go about our daily lives. So this is the main thing that Ethereum actually brings in value. You can program software and decentralized applications on their own blockchain. So usually what people call these is smart contracts. So where first parties had to sign a contract, there was a third party and there was execution. Now those two parties just sign the smart contract on the blockchain and the blockchain automatically executes the transaction, which makes it more equal, decentralized and secure. Now the third project we will talk about is perhaps a surprise because it's a stablecoin. We will talk about Tether or USDT, which is a stablecoin based on the US dollar, and it's backed 100% by Tether's reserves, according to its website. And Tether is owned by iFinex, the Hong Kong registered company that also owns the crypto exchange Bitfinex. So on their website, but again all the links will be down in the description, you can also see how they actually back up their USDT, because obviously it's a stablecoin. All of those coins, all of those cryptos have to be backed by real dollars as well. On their website you can see that they, for example, back it by cash, but also corporate bonds, other investments and secured loans. Now why it could be a great thing to actually hold some stablecoins is that we are still technically in a bear market. So in a bear market we expect prices to go down, and by actually holding stablecoins that allows you to, when the prices drop down severely and you still believe in a different project, that you can actually use your stablecoins, deploy them and buy the project at lower prices. Alright, and the last coin we will talk about is BNB, the main coin of Binance. The Binance coin initially ran on the Ethereum blockchain with an ERC20 standard, but has since become the native coin of the own Binance Smart Chain, their own blockchain. And it was launched during an initial coin offering in 2017 and has a strict maximum of 200 million BNB tokens. And BNB currently has a market cap of almost $50 billion. It is one of the biggest cryptos out there, obviously because Binance right now now is the biggest cryptocurrency exchange. So by holding some BNB, you're also betting on the success of Binance. So if you think Binance is a great platform and you want in on that, holding BNB could be a great choice. Now, apart from that, BNB is also used by Binance for different services. For example, if you want to participate in their launchpad for new projects that are launching, you actually need to hold BNB. And there are a lot of benefits to holding BNB on their platform as well, which increases the demand while the supply is still static. Alright, so with that, we've reached the end of this video. We talked about 4 amazing cryptos and projects you can hold in these current market circumstances. If you want to revisit all of these coins, want to know more about them, again, check out the links down in the description. But for now, if you found this video helpful, please make sure to add a like and add comments with questions I might have missed and subscribe to our channel.